I'm cool, like a cucumber.
Why?
How cool am I?
Like an ice cube?
Yeah. Just in case you guys were wondering, that's how cool I am. I have Ramsey running around in here. I don't know if you can hear his little thumpings. He's getting a little chunky right now. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Savannah Smiles. So today, I have a treat for you guys. I don't have a table to, hold on. Careful. So today, I have a special treat for you guys. All right, now let me put this back up on here. Today, we are going to be unboxing a Lush package. I am so excited. It smells so good. I am so excited. So I ordered this last Tuesday, I think. So this got to the FedEx center near us on Saturday. And for whatever reason, it was saying no scheduled delivery. So I was about to call today because today is Monday. So it's been sitting there 48 hours and it's still saying that. When I got home, and she was waiting for me. If you guys don't know, or you haven't seen on Instagram me talking about my skincare routine, I love Lush. I'm gonna be opening them, I'm going to be putting in my thoughts about them, what the product is, and we're gonna be talking about it. Let me put this up on here too, so that way, I'm so bad at this. Okay, so I'm gonna put this up on here, and then unbox it. Got our handy dandy scissors, and let's go. All right, already, she's looking fine and fresh. So inside the box looks like this. It's really bright. By the way, the cat just came in because he is summoned by the box. So let me get some B-roll on my phone for this. Here is the box. It looks like it's packaged pretty well, so I'm pretty stoked about that. And yeah, oh my gosh, it smells absolutely amazing. Everything looks packaged well. It got to me so fast. I am very satisfied with this so far. Okay, so first things first, I got like 3 of these because I absolutely love them. And I can see them right here. That would be the Scrubee body butter. It is not showing. I'll insert a picture. So these are my absolute favorite. So I hate putting on lotion after a shower, like all over, because then I just feel like it wastes so much time. I think Ramsey just rated this a 6 out of 10. He didn't look unamused. He didn't look amused either. So the Scrubee is one of my personal favorites. My brother, I think, or my mom got it for me for Christmas, and I absolutely adore it, and I've used it ever since. After you finish rinsing off and your skin is clean, you just lightly rub it over your body. It exfoliates, it also hydrates. You rinse off some of the exfoliants in the shower, and then you get out, you're good. I've gotta say though, if you hold it like this and you use it, the exfoliants are towards the top, they don't go all the way to the bottom, so your first 1 to 2 uses will be extremely oily. After that, it's absolutely marvelous to use. I love it because I've heard, I know it's a box, honey. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but he's playing. I don't know if this is true or not, but I wholeheartedly believe this, that when you get out of the shower, when your pores are clean, they are also open, you only have so long to put on lotion for it to be effective. I love this because it gives me that time back to do a full skincare routine, to brush out my hair, because my hair type, I need to put in leave-in conditioner and brush it out as soon as I get out of the shower. Otherwise, my hair will never detangle. And beyond that, I feel that my skin is always hydrated, so I absolutely recommend this product. I obviously love it since I bought 3 of them. So pretty much, I'm gonna read off my computer here what's in this to give you guys the most accurate information on it. Its description reads, "This happy little bee looks innocent enough, but it means business when it comes to buffing your skin smooth. We combine Scrubee, ground almonds, and coconut shell with softening honey, cocoa, and shea butter in alternating, exfoliating, and moisturizing stripes for the smoothest skin. Save the Scrubbies." For the actual full ingredients in this has fair trade organic cocoa butter, fair trade shea butter, ground coconut shell, fragrance, honey, ground almonds, coconut oil, bergamot oil, Brazilian orange oil, amyl cinnamol, I don't even know how to say this one, I'm so sorry, buthamyl methylpropionol, citronol, limonene, linalool. So obviously with this, I love that most of the items on this, you can read, you feel like you know what's in it. They don't test any of their products on animals, which is another thing I absolutely adore. This product is really great and I absolutely love it. So on to the next item. So we are going into something, I have never tried this before, but let's see. Okay, so we got this guy. Oh, it's too bright to focus. Okay, I'm gonna pull it on my phone. So this guy I'm holding is called Roar. It seemed pretty interesting to me online. It was a cute little shape to add to my bath bomb jar. So I figured I would give him a shot, but look at how cute. Super, super cute. Doesn't have a lot of fallout, which is great, except for right there on my thumb for whatever reason. But yeah, super cute. I've been trying to get more bath bombs because I have a little bath bomb jar going by my bathtub, and I thought this would be a cute little addition. And it smells pretty good. It smells like green tea and mint. So I think that's what the flavoring on it was supposed to be. Not flavoring, that's what it's supposed to be, scented. I don't think you're supposed to eat these. I don't recommend that. I'm gonna put him back in here and read off to you the product description. Feeling a dinosaur? This bold bath bomb is here to help you revive and refresh. Drop this prehistoric perfection in the tub and enjoy its soothing fizz. A calming dose of green tea powder will have you feeling insanely at ease, while a dash of cooling peppermint oil relaxes the tired muscles and stimulates your senses. So I was right, green tea and mint. Let's go over that ingredient list because I actually didn't look at any of these before I ordered them, so. Full ingredients: sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, which by the way, I don't know if you know this, but citric acid is just vitamin C. Green tea powder, peppermint oil, water, dipropylene glycol, fragrance, yellow 10, yellow 5, blue 1. So what I'm guessing the coloring was to make this the actual green color that we see. I'm guessing that the green tea powder wasn't enough to make it the full color, so then they add in a little bit of coloring afterwards, but it's still super cute and definitely gonna use this. I can't review it though because I've never used it before, and I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so this next one is called the floating flower. I know the other one's supposed to be white, so. Oh, she's so cute. All right, let me take video on here. So as you can see here, this bath bomb is a blue with a cute little dome or cavity or whatever you want to call it, with an actual flower inside. It looks really cute. I expected it to have a bigger flower in the middle, but I understand that every single time it can't look like how the picture does. Although the flower on it is tiny on the picture. What the hell just happened? Yeah, I guess that little, this is on a USB cord. So I guess it just stopped working, the little wall socket thing. That happened. I thought it was gonna be a little bit cuter because on the picture it had a bigger flower in it, but I probably understand that it's not gonna look as pretty right now because everything's been really delayed. It still smells good. I'm sure it's still gonna look amazing when we use it. So let's get into this product description. Want flowers with a little more lasting power? This beautiful balm comes equipped with a fresh chrysanthemum coated in rich cocoa butter that slowly melts into the bath as you bathe. It's also packed with a bold, mind-clearing blend of almond and lavender oils for a fresh scent that's reminiscent of crisp, clean laundry. So, if I read that right, this is supposed to be the flower, the chrysanthemum, which I can't say right now, coated in rich cocoa. I am not seeing that on this at all. This looks like they just stuck a flower in there. It does not look coated in cocoa butter at all. That's kind of disappointing, but it's not a deal breaker, but definitely does not look coated like it does in the picture. So that's a bummer. It's also super off center, which is like a little bit like, ugh. You know, it doesn't need to look perfect, but it is disappointing. So let's jump into the ingredients list. Sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, which again is vitamin C, fair trade organic cocoa butter, titanium dioxide, laurelith 4, fresh chrysanthemum, lavender oil, almond essential oil, almond oil, water, dipropylene glycol, fragrance blue 1. And then of course this isn't tested on animals, which you guys already know I absolutely adore. I gotta say though, this is not what I was expecting. And then the final thing in this box is going to be the sakura. I probably said that wrong and I'm so sorry to my Japanese friends who might be watching this. I don't know. I feel like it's kind of awkward to be like, hey friends, watch my YouTube video. Okay, this one actually looks like the freaking picture. It looks so cute. Let me get it on my phone. Look at that. That is exactly what I would expect that to look like. Even at the top, this one doesn't feel as tightly packed because it's really making a mess, but still super cute, and I love it. It smells kind of citrusy a little bit, but this one I can already tell I am going to love, and I'm probably gonna buy it again because I absolutely think that the presentation on this is great, it smells great, and so let's get into the product description. It's funny how sometimes too with this stuff you can just pick it up and be like, oh yeah, no, I know this is gonna be a favorite, because there's some Lush items, just like when I pulled the Scrubee out of the gift box from my brother or my mom on Christmas, I was like, oh, we got a new favorite. So let's get into the product description. When the cherry blossoms burst forth in springtime in Japan, see, I was right, it was Japanese, I think. It's tradition to take a picnic to the park and enjoy some gorgeous, fragrant display. We've recreated this experience for your tub. Simply lie back in sakura's serene waters while the delicate scents of mimosa and jasmine wash over you. The elegant embrace of fine sea salt and softening baking soda softens the skin and carries your troubles away like cherry blossoms on the breeze. Also, I've been meaning to mention, sodium bicarbonate is just baking soda, and that's part of what makes it fizz when it's in the water. So sodium bicarbonate, again, sounds a little scary. It's just baking soda. All right, and let's get into them ingredients. Sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, citric acid, vitamin C, fragrance, coarse sea salt, fine sea salt, lemon oil, mimosa absolute, orange blossom absolute, jasmine absolute, gardenia extract, limonene, butanol methylpropanol, red 4, blue 1. I love that this has salt in it. Back in the day when I used to do sports competitively, we used to take salt baths all the time to draw out the lactic acid. I don't know if that really did anything, or if it was more to convince us and the power of our brain that we were making our muscles less sore and so we'd be good to go for the next day. I love doing them. I found them really relaxing. So I'm excited to have this, and I have a funny feeling this is going to be a favorite to come out of this. Not that the other two aren't good, because definitely the roar and maybe the floating flower are going to be good, but definitely can feel that sakura is going to be one that I'm going to absolutely adore. Oh, also, I mentioned the bath bomb jar. This is it, and it's right next to my Sansevieria snake plant that Graham let me put inside that little Spoopies here likes to try to eat. Oh my gosh, he's gonna do it. Oh, he did it. He's a good boy. Who's maybe gonna be a bad boy? Yeah, that's what I thought. So anyways, yeah, this is it. We have the sakura right here, the roar right here, and then the floating flowers right around here. I also have a golden egg melt in here, and then here's part of one that we've used. But yeah, got this next to my cute little Sansevieria snake plant, and Ramsey doesn't actually eat it. I make a joke. I mean, you can see he's not biting at it. He just likes to smell it. See? No harm done. But we do lock him out of here usually too, so he's not gonna chomp on it. So with all that said, be sure to smash the YouTube algorithm for the like button. Also, don't worry guys, I am getting curtains for the side, and I am getting a little plant right here to be on this set. So I will be adding to it. Don't worry guys, we're not gonna always look like we're in shambles. But yeah, that was the video. Smash the YouTube algorithm for the like button. Comment down below, let me know what your favorite Lush product is. Maybe next time I do a Lush haul, I will include it in that haul. And then technically, if I put it in a video, it's a tax write-off, so I'll take it. Skincare and tax write-off. And as always, don't forget